Hello and welcome to a quick demo today on how easy it is to connect BMC Helix ITSM with Jira Service Management using IntelliPaaS. In this demo here, we're going to be showing you a live bidirectional sync, including some ticket syncs, some comments, some attachments. All of that is running in real time. So we're going to be creating an incident in Helix ITSM. You can see the drag and drop interface. We're going to be syncing the detailed description with what's considered a fields description in Jira. The overall description goes into the summary. We can also sync comments. So that's then goes from the source system into the target system. And I'm going to be showing you how the attachment part works as well. So very similar setup here, all working in real time. Now, once we are in BMC Helix ITSM, we can create a new incident. Our ticket gets created. So what happens behind the scenes? Now, if we go to our logs, we can see in real time what's going on, and you can see that a lot of things get updated. It pulls the information, it ultimately executes it, and eventually it goes back to sleep. Now, we created this here. Now we go into, let's just update this. Need a replacement for my laptop, not functioning. There it is. So what's happening now is we're making a comment on the Jira Service Management side. We want to make sure that it flows back into Helix. And if we now update this here in a second, you can see, I hope you're okay. I need some more evidence, please. So now in here, it already updates. There it is. The attachment is here. You can see the broken laptop, and look at that. What a mess. Let's create a new ticket. Let's assume we're a user and a bank or financial institution might be using Helix ITSM on the other side. So if we create something new, that might be along the lines of. Now, so what happens here? We go back to the logs, and you can see that it's already creating the ticket. So what we go do here now in ITSM, and we can see here, credit card replacement needed, my dog ate the card. Once we go into it, we see the further details. This is now gets assigned to a certain person, Jennifer, for example. So if I were to go into this here, you can see already that it's actually assigned to Jen. So this particular account here is now saying, can't believe it, can you send a photo? Let's just quickly refresh this, makes it a little bit easier. Can't believe it, can you send a photo? So this is considered another attachment. So now two things again are happening. We're going to be sending the comment, we're going to be sending the attachment. So once we go back here, we can see that it's doing its thing. You can see that in the attachment, you can now see the dog ate the credit card image is being pulled and pushed across, comes from the source Jira. And then obviously with that new ID that's here, that's going to be synced across. You can now see here on the right-hand side, the dog ate the credit card. You can now see the evidence right now. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for your time and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.